In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the engine air filter on a Hyundai Elantra. This is a super quick maintenance task that will help your engine breathe better and even improve fuel efficiency. First, pop the hood and locate the air filter housing. It's a large black box right behind the battery with a hose running to the engine intake. Next, unclip the metal tabs on the side of the housing. On this Elantra, there are a couple clips that hold the lid tight. Once the clips are released, lift the cover just enough to pull out the old engine air filter. Now, grab your new engine air filter. Make sure it's seated in the same direction as the old one. It can only fit one way, with the rubber edge sealing flat inside the housing. Carefully lower the cover back down and snap the clips into place. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.